Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shweta. How you guys doing? And I really hope everybody is safe and sound and your family is healthy as well. So आज का जो वीडियो है वो basically मेरी jewelry collection के बारे में है. So I know it's not that big, it's not that fancy, but I thought about sharing this because people are doing those vlogs. I really love to watch if somebody showing their collection of clothes or jewelry or shoes. I really love it. So मैं आज आपके साथ मेरी jewelry का collection share करूँगी and please don't judge me because I don't have that much of jewelries. And yeah, so if you want to like know what I have or what I own, then please keep on watching. And yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so शुरुआत करते हैं with this earrings I have. This is such a gorgeous pair of earrings. If you look at it, wow, prettiest, isn't it? ये मैंने online लिया था. Then I have these little babies and they are so pretty. Oh my god, look at that. It's like this. It's like a little flower and then so cute, and it makes noise also if you can hear. There is my mic. So this is really cute. Then I have this set I got. मैं जब हैदराबाद में थी तब मैंने चार मीनार से लिया था. So you can see, so this is a मांग टीका. ये मांग टीका है और ये दो earrings है इसके साथ. This is gorgeous set if you can see. Oh my god, this looks so beautiful. Then I have this, oh yeah, look at this choker I'm wearing. Isn't that pretty? So pretty, isn't it? It's boho chic look दे रहा है आपको, है ना? So this is a choker that I own. This is oxidized silver. Oh, she cute. I have these ones. These were a gift from my friend. Oh, they are so cute. You can wear it with anything. This is the latest fashion. I don't know. Everybody's having these. Sorry. These are really cute, and these you can see prettiest ones, isn't it? I have these bangles I got from online, I think. These are must-haves. Everybody should have these bangles. This small pearl beaded bangles. Oh, I love these. These are just the cutest. हैदराबाद में एक स्टोर था जिसका नाम था Beliza. So that store was like, it always had these really beautiful earrings and jewelry. If you can see, this is also so pretty, isn't it? The prettiest of all. And we have this small, not small, like it is the biggest in our city. Jyoti Bangles करके एक jewelry का shop है. So I got these from there. Oh, look at that. Rose gold. So pretty. Oh, this is so cute. Oh yes, these earrings. I got this from Wow Inside. So this is a small business. They have started and they have the cutest jewelry and scrunchies and all that. So these are this satin hoop earrings, and aren't they the cutest? I have these in white, organza pink. You can check their website. It's Wow Inside. They have Insta handle, they have website also. And these hoops I have, these huge hoops, like they're this big. See? And they give you that yeah, cool boho look milta hai. This is really cool. These hoops are really cool. Oops, the price is written. This says 65 रुपए का है sir, but this is so good. You can wear it with anything. And then I have these chokers. These are literally the cutest. This is silver and this is in gold. एक मिनट open करके दिखाती हूँ. I'm lazy. If I open it, then I'll have to put it inside. See, this is the cutest. Oh, ये आपको ना एकदम वो रॉयल्टी वाला लुक देता है. Earrings, these are so pretty, you guys. These are my favorite earrings actually. ये वही if you can see, these are little pearl, small छोटे छोटे मोती के रहते हैं और झुमका है. This looks so good, so good. This one I have. This is simple, elegant, beautiful oxidized gold jewelry. This looks stunning. Sorry for the noise, guys. I have put all of these in my इनको ना छोटे छोटे airtight. This is not airtight, but like ये क्या बोलते हैं इसको? I don't know. So this is one. This is so adorable, so cute. Oh yeah, I need to show you the rings I bought recently, and they are just too good. I'm gonna wear it and show it to you. And this is so cheap. I got it from Sea Beach, Puri Sea Beach. Yeah, this is how I get my jewelry. Because let's face it, I'm not gonna wear them every day. I just wear them at parties and functions. इतने महंगे क्यों लेने हैं? So there we go. Oh my yeah. Look at that. Ooh. These are literal royalty. This is so beautiful. I just literally love them. I mean, and guess what's the price of this? It's 40 रुपए का है. This is only 40 rupees, you guys. And I bargained also. Then I have these beautiful silver oxidized ones. As you can see, this is so pretty. Aww. You know, accessories can change the look, complete look. आप एक normal t-shirt पहन लो, कुछ normal jeans डाल लो, and then wear some kind of good earrings, or you can wear this. Instant uplift of your look. Then this one I have, so pretty. Just love my jewelry collection. Like everything is different only, but it's unique in itself. This is these are क्या बोलते हैं? Tops, studs, big studs. I don't know. These are just small flowers, and they look so cool. I wanted to wear this right now, but I'm lazy. This cute little fur ball earrings I have. This is so cute. Let me show you. Aww, look at that. Look at that, baby. Ooh, you. And these earrings I have, let me open them. I have so many earrings from Beliza. वो जो हैदराबाद का शॉप था वहाँ से लिया था. My job is in Hyderabad, so now I'm working from home. But look at these, so pretty, so pretty. Bangles I bought from Puri Sea Beach. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Imagine you wearing these and a nose pin and some silver oxidized jewelry and कुड़ी कमाल लगदी. These are so pretty. Look at that. These danglers, and they make such beautiful noise. And I have these earrings. These are small studded hoop earrings. They are also so cute. I love them. And then these, oh yeah, this is like my favorite. Let me just open and show it to you. Actually फट गया है. But oh wow, look at that. Look, oh, so cute. It's like a butterfly. You wear this, you're gonna look amazing. I wore this on my birthday. This is a mang tikka I have. I take care of my jewelry, like they always stay like this only. ऐसे बाहर निकाल के फेंक नहीं देती मैं. This is mang tikka. This is really pretty, pink color. This is gorgeous. Yeah, then I have these flowers. These are so cute. I wore this on my birthday as well with my grey dress. Look at these flowers. Let me just open one of these. Oh, so cute. I mean, who wouldn't like this? Aren't they the cutest? I think I got this from Meesho. This I got from, this was a gift actually. This I got from, again, Konark, Puri Konark. This is some black peacock earrings. If you can see, this is really beautiful. You can pair this with any kind of kurti. Look amazing. This looks so gorgeous, you guys. Let me show you. These earrings. Oh, sorry. These ones. Oh, baby. Yeah. You see? This is like a hoop, like a small hoop. But this looks really classy. If you wear it, you can imagine me wearing this. Oh. Woo! She royalty girl. And this pair of square earrings, this is silver and this looks so damn gorgeous. I wore this on Christmas. I wore this paired with jeans and all that, and everybody was complimenting so much, like these earrings look so cool. Let me just open it. Oh baby, yeah. See? Shoot. And I promise you guys, these earrings are like so cheap. This is like I don't remember, but it's within 100 only. It's really cheap. This is another one. This is like concentric circles going down. It's pretty. I literally love this. I haven't gotten a chance to wear this yet. कहाँ पहन के जाएं यार? It's not safe. So this is the necklace. If you can see, this looks really pretty. You can wear it to a beach. You can wear it with off-shoulder dress. This looks really cute. This is so pretty. मेरे दोस्त लोग भी ये मेरे से मतलब भाड़े में मांग के ले गए थे. श्वेता, ये तेरे पास जो वो जो ऐसे बीट वाला था ना, ऐसे क्रॉस वाला, वो देना ना एक बार. They take it from me and they don't return it on time, which I hate. Now it's time to showcase this beautiful, gorgeous set I have. This I got from Amazon. This is a pearl set. Oh, she royalty, baby. Ah, this is so pretty. You can see. Prettiest of all. ये सारे ऐसे झुमके हैं इसके नीचे. These are the earrings, and I got a matching finger ring also with it. This one. So pretty, you guys. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my God! Just look at that. Oh baby, yeah. Oof. Room का temperature बढ़ गया. So this is the choker. Oops, sorry. This is a choker and this is the earring. ये earring है और ये मांग टीका है उसके साथ. The choker is literally the prettiest. I really want to open it, but मन नहीं हो रहा यार. पीछे से बंधा हुआ है and it's really organized well. I don't want to open it. I'm so lazy. Okay, ये एक set था and then I have another one. This is also really beautiful. I have arranged this in the box. So I am in love with chokers because let's face it, I am 5'9" and I have a really long neck. If you can see. Can you see my neck? Is that funny? So, chokers look really good on me. And yeah, so this is another one I have. If you can see, this is the choker as well. Oh, this is so gorgeous. This is the earring it has. This is the mang tika. And this is the choker. Oh my God, look at that. This is so pretty. Ooh. ये मेरे को बहुत अच्छे बार्गेन से मिला था. ये मैं चारमीनार से लिया था. Yeah, you get all these kind of jewelries there. It's very cheap also. It will be like 1200, 1400 में ऐसे बार्गेन में मिल जाएगा आपको. वो बोलेंगे 3000. मैडम जी 3000 का है, बहुत सस्ता है, ले लो. You need to bargain there, girl. You need to bargain. This one I got from a mall. So beautiful. Look at that. You wear it. Oh, it's so beautiful, you guys. Look, this is really beautiful. If you can just see it, कितना प्यारा है ये. I mean, it's been like 2 to 3 years. I got this for around 300 or 400 bucks. I don't remember exactly, but 3 साल हो चुके हैं इसको. 2-3 साल. I don't know. But it's still shining. It's like new only, as if I bought it yesterday. Isn't this so pretty? I know with a good price comes good quality, but to hell with that. So this is the bracelet I have with that matching. ये 99 का लिया था मैंने. Sorry, 199. I remember 199. This is so pretty. And a matching ring. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Ain't I cute? Ain't she cute? Woo. This is ये मेरे को सीक्रेट सांता में गिफ्ट में मिला था ऑफिस में. This is this is cute actually. Look at that. Look at this coming down off. ये झुमका एक. See, lotus. You know my name means lotus, white lotus. It's Shweta Padma Swai. That means white lotus. So I just bought it. It doesn't make any sense, but I bought this because there is a cute little lotus on the tip. Little peacock earring. Ooh, so cute. These are earrings. This has cute little studs. This looks so classy. Ching ching. This looks really cute. You know, this really gives you that cute vibe, you know, college going vibe. Bracelet. Let me open it up. So this is the bracelet. This looks stunning. It had washed out a little bit, but anyways, it looks awesome. Oh yeah, these little cute silver studs, they look so good. Look at that, they look so gorgeous. Okay, and oh yes, this is a dire necessity. Like, I don't know about you guys, but I think everyone should have a pair of silver jhumki. See, this is a dire necessity, guys. This is a necessity. A pair of simple jhumkas. You can pair these with Western, Indian, kurti, salwar, everything, literally everything. Oh yes, these hoop earrings I have. These are beautifully ऐसे shimmer वाले. Oh, I think that is it. Okay, so guys, do let me know how you like this video. I hope आपको पसंद आया होगा. You got a chance to know how and where I get my jewelry from, and I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And आप comment box में डाल सकते हो आपको कौन सा video चाहिए. Like I can share my shoe collection, I can share my makeup, my lipstick collection, my nail paint collection. I have a good nail paint collection. I can share that. So do let me know, and thanks for watching, and until next time, bye bye. Take care and have a happy new year.